One of these 9 work-from-home sites has real fraud complaints against it. 2 of them make you pay before you earn anything. But one of them paid a user $125 for a single Zoom call. Let's go through all 9. What they are, how much you can actually earn, and exactly which is which. After watching this video comment guide and the website name you want to make your first $10,000, I will send you a full guide step by step on how to start. First up, StillHiring.today. This one isn't a job itself, it's a map. It's a free community-built list of tech companies that are actually still hiring right now, not just posting fake listings to build a resume pipeline. There's no login, no paywall. You don't earn money from this site directly. Think of it as a shortcut. It just tells you where the real openings are, so you're not wasting time applying into a black hole. Next, RareRoles. The pitch is simple. Jobs you won't find on LinkedIn or Indeed, pulled straight from company career pages. Again, this is a board, not an employer. Your income depends entirely on what job you land through it. Here's the honest part, though. Reviews on this one are split. Some trust scanning sites have flagged it with a low trust score, while other reviewers call it a legitimate aggregator. My advice, browse it, but don't hand over payment info without checking recent reviews first. Third, CareerHound. Same idea, scraping jobs directly off company websites so you're applying straight to the source. But this one comes with a real complaint attached. One reviewer described paying around $50 for access and getting mostly fake or expired listings. Other users say they landed real interviews. So it's a mixed bag. And unlike the others on this list, this is the one where I genuinely tell you to pause before paying anything. Fourth, Jobspresso. This is a curated, hand-vetted remote job board. Design, marketing, dev, customer support, that kind of thing. No scraping, no scam complaints I could find. It's free to browse. Like the others, your earnings come from whatever job you land. But the vetting process here at least filters out the junk before you ever see it. Fifth, and now we shift into sites that actually pay you directly. PlaybookUX connects you with researchers who need real people to test apps and websites and give feedback. You get paid per session for your opinion. No resume, no interview, just your honest reaction to a product. It's the same model as our next one, so let's talk about that. Number 6, UserInterviews.com. And this is where the numbers get interesting. This is one of the most established platforms in the space, and participants report earning anywhere from $50 to over $100 an hour for a single research study. One user tracked their own data across 2 years and landed on an average of about $36 an hour. Another got $125 for a single 1-hour Zoom interview about mobile hotspots. The catch? Acceptance rates are low. Some users report getting picked for less than 4% of the studies they apply to. So it pays well when you get in. You just won't get in every time. 7th, Arise. And this is where I want to slow down, because the framing matters. Arise connects you to companies like AT&T, Disney, and Intuit for virtual call center work. But you're not an employee. You're signing up as an independent contractor, sometimes even required to register as your own small business. That means you're the one buying the equipment, covering a dedicated phone line, and sitting through unpaid training before you earn a cent. It's not a scam. People genuinely do get paid through it, but the way it's marketed as an easy work-from-home job hides the real startup costs. Go in with your eyes open. 8th, NextRep. Basically the same model as Arise. Home-based customer service contractor work. Same deal applies. You're your own business, you're covering your own costs, and there may be background check fees before you even start. Legitimate, but again, read every line before you commit any money. And finally, number 9, Clickworker. This is a microtask platform. Surveys, data labeling, app testing, little jobs that take minutes, not hours. Here's the real number. Most users report earning between $2 and $10 an hour, depending on how fast you are and which tasks are available that day. If you qualify for their higher tier tasks, something called UHRS, Some experienced users report closer to $12 to $18 an hour. But most beginners are looking at $20 to $100 in your first month, not a replacement income. It's a genuine, long-running platform. Just don't expect it to pay your rent. So here's the real breakdown. 3 of these, StillHiring, RareRoles, and Jobspresso, are just doors to other jobs, not income sources themselves. CareerHound is the one I'd personally slow down on. Arise and NextRep will pay you, but only after you pay in first. And if you want something that actually puts cash in your account this week, Clickworker, PlaybookUX, and user interviews are your best bet, in that order of effort versus payout. If this saved you some research time, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down a new site every week, so you don't have to fall for the ones that waste your time.